Hello, it's Dave here from DM Online, DaveMenzies.com. How do you get more subscribers on YouTube is a question I'm asked all the time. In my kind of checklist, when I'm making videos and I'm looking to get more subscribers, the first thing is to do a bit of research around the kind of questions people are asking in your niche. In other words, whatever your channel is about. Because that is how you find out the kinds of videos that people really want to watch. It's all about, on YouTube, it's all about relevance at the moment. The way YouTube ranks videos is, relevance has a lot to do with it. So you need to make sure that your videos are going to be actually helpful. They're going to provide content that answers the kind of questions people in your niche are asking, the kind of valuable content that they're looking for, the things they want to know about, the things they want to learn. So that's the starting point. You research your niche, you go into Google, look at various search terms, put in the kind of niche that you're interested in and just see what comes up. Have a good look through, spend a bit of time, particularly on YouTube itself, and look for the types of videos that people are producing that are getting big scores and lots of followers and have lots of subscribers. So let's get into the kind of nitty gritty. First thing I would stress is if you want to get more subscribers, as we've discussed, make your content really valuable, make it really useful and super relevant to the niche that you're in. Yeah. Second thing, make your videos as good as you possibly can. Keep doing them. You'll get better just with practice. You might want to invest in some tools and some equipment. If you subscribe to my channel, for example, you'll find a playlist on tech tips and tutorials where I talk about video editors, cameras, microphones, lighting, all of the kind of things that make your videos kind of look better in the first place. I'll put a list in the description of a lot of the resources I'm going to talk about here. There are a number of things that you can invest in. There are a number of free things that you can do to make your videos more attractive to people, to get more eyeballs on them, which is really what you want. And that leads to subscribers, more subscribers, because you're producing content that people want and people are finding value in. So those are the kind of first points. Again, subscribe to my channel. I don't want to make this a 20-minute video, so I'm not going to talk about cameras and microphones and video editors and add-ons and that kind of stuff here. You'll find links in the description to some of those things. One of the best things you can think about also is the thumbnail, which is the first thing that people see when they're looking for something. They type something into YouTube relevant to what they want to find out, and a big list of all the videos will come up, and the little thumbnail which they see first is what is going to actually attract them to your video. So you need to really make that stand out. Great resource for that, which is free, is a thing called Canva. Find the link in the description, where you can create really engaging, really good looking thumbnails from templates and kind of use them to sort of establish your brand and to get people actually clicking through and wanting to watch your videos. Okay. Second thing, make the quality as good as you possibly can. Again, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see a lot of tech tips and tutorials. I'm using a tie-clip microphone for this. I always record the sound separately from the video, because although I use a really good camera, the sound quality from that directly, even a few feet away, isn't very good. You want really good quality video and really good quality sound. You can get these things without investing an absolute fortune. Little tie-clip mic. You can even use a good quality smartphone. Sometimes use my own iPhone to do videos, and they're really good as long as you bear in mind the kind of quality, the setting, the background, the overall look of the video. But above all, it's the content that you're putting out there. You know, make it what people are looking for. Okay, some other great resources. There's a great resource called TubeBuddy. Again, look in the description for a link to that. They have a free version which will give you an awful lot of advice and tips and information about using things like end cards, the thumbnail, which we already discussed, the different tags and keywords that you need to put in there, which will help people to find your videos. If you want to add really good transitions and animations and stuff, there's a fantastic product called Videos, which I'll link to. Again, you'll find a link in the description too. That's if you want to get a little bit more advanced and start putting in some sort of custom animations and some really slick, you know, graphics. You might want to build a little logo sting to the start of your videos, again, to build up your brand. And, you know, that's something that you might want to look into later. There are really inexpensive ways that you can make super improvements to your videos. You know, lighting, you can buy like lighting kits, drape kits. If you want to take it even further, there are things like chroma key, green screen stuff. I'm actually in a little green screen room at the moment that I've built up. Didn't cost an awful lot of money. So that's, without making the video too long, those are my kind of tips. Do your research, make your content really relevant, really helpful to people, make it what they're looking for, make the quality of the video and the sound as good as you possibly can, and just keep getting better and better and better. Look at SEO, look at optimizing your videos to make sure that, you know, Google finds them and finds them again super relevant, and they'll give you a ranking from there. So I hope you find this short video reasonably helpful, covered a fair amount of ground. As I say, the resources are underneath here. I would also give you one final resource. Again, if you do subscribe, you'll see a lot of my videos are about a company called SFM, which is a community training platform which teaches you all about internet marketing. And in amongst that, there is some super advanced material on YouTube by some of the people who are really doing well in the industry on YouTube, doing YouTube advertising in particular. And that's six-figure mentors. You'll find a link to them on the end screen at the end of this video and some of the cards that are on it. But just look in the description there for the resources I've discussed. All right, so I hope that's really helpful. Just keep on going. It's getting more competitive on YouTube, so you just have to stand out from the crowd, and hopefully we've looked at a number of ways that you can do that. All right, thanks again. It's been Dave, DaveMenzies.com, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers.